gained 100 pounds. I felt drained. I felt depressed. And even though I was making more money than I ever had before, my soul just still wasn't happy. Hey, what's up, guys? I know it has been a hot minute, okay? Some of you know me from my viral fitness journey. Some of you know me as a filmmaker. And those of you who follow me on socials know that recently I have doubled down on my real estate hustle. So here's the tea. While I was away from YouTube, I scaled my rental portfolio from 2 units to 18 doors in just 1 year. That sounds so crazy, but it's true. So on paper, that sounds like a win, right? But to keep it real, in retrospect, I honestly feel like I moved way too fast. I left LA after the writer's strike when Hollywood was trying to figure itself out. And what was keeping me afloat financially was my rental properties in LA. So I decided to double down and I left LA briefly. And my goal was simple. I wanted to replace my W-2 income so that I could walk away from shows and opportunities that weren't aligned with me creatively. And I was gonna come back to LA, create freely, and that included getting back on YouTube with you guys, my YouTube family. So in a way, I did accomplish that. But the reality is I was grinding so hard that I let my health, my creativity, and even me fall on the back burner. I gained 100 pounds. I felt drained. I felt depressed. And even though I was making more money than I ever had before, my soul just still wasn't happy. And here is the revelation that anchored me back in. Success doesn't mean anything if you're not pouring into yourself. And so that's why I'm back. This channel is for the working boss woman making time to pour into yourself every single day. It's about rebuilding balance, mind, body, business, and creativity. You're gonna see me lose the weight again that I just gained, indulge in self-care, grow my portfolio smarter this time, and still honor the creative storyteller in me. Because being a boss means being ambitious, resilient, unstoppable, and human. So if you've ever felt like you had to choose between your health, your career, your family, and your passion, I'm here to show you that you don't. I truly believe that we can have it all. And I'm taking you with me as I figure this thing out, okay? So hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment, and let's do this together. And remember, make sure you pour into yourself every single day.